Since the day Aminu's father brought farm surveyors to survey his farmland, Aminu changed his life ambition. He decided he was going to specialize in surveying and buy his own surveying tools one day. Aminu grew up and after a while started his surveying business. However, not too long after purchase, Aminu noticed that his tools were getting rusty. He then realized that he had been poorly maintaining the tools. Anything you fail to maintain will eventually degenerate. In this lesson, we'll be discussing the general maintenance of surveying tools. All tools must be cleaned after use. They should be kept in a cool and dry place. It's important that you oil, grease, and paint before storage. Ensure that all worn-out parts are replaced. Ensure that all instruments are used only for their intended functions and allow only competent surveyors handle or use the instruments. With these, we have come to the end of our lessons on farm surveying. We hope you have enjoyed the lesson so far. See you in the next lesson.